I'm demoing an attic. There's insulation, there's rugs, stuff goes out the window. If anything occurs to me along the way that seems like a useful tip to you, camera's here. Welcome to the workshop, everybody. Today's workshop is an old attic full of cardboard covered insulation, debris, and all kinds of other detritus that living in a place for a long time gathers up. So here we go. Attic clean out and dump runs. Attic work is dusty, really dusty. 3 tips for attic demo. Keep the dust out of your lungs, off your skin, and move it out of the room. It's in situations like this that this face shield is worth its weight in gold. If I didn't have it, even if I had safety glasses on, all the dust that's on here and in here would eventually settle on my skin. Here, I've got plastic between me and full jack. Not very dramatic, but it happens. Every couple of minutes, a new puff of dust enters the air and it gets on your skin. So cover up, keep it out of your lungs. And the beanie helps keep it out of your hair. How about that? Why aren't you cleaning out your own attic by now? There must have been times when my mother asked herself, why did I send that boy to college? What is he doing? Here's something worth a consideration. You might find yourself like this, where you have to climb up somewhere. Ladder's not really easy, so you take the straddle route like I am over the stairwell. Please don't end up on YouTube or Fail Army or someplace like that. Tie your shoes. Please God, no Crocs or flip-flops. Suit up and boot up. Do the work well, it's good practice. Getting there. Back it. One thing to keep in mind when using a shop-style vacuum, ooh, that's grungy. is the filter. There's a certain point where you're just moving dust around. So it's a pain in the butt. But when you have to, you have to. Clean the filter, put it back, start again. Attic before, after.